The road was dark, but I walked without fear. Heavy clouds rolling in early this year. Headlights cutting through the foggy night. Every mile I drove felt like a judging light. An old wood sign cracked and worn away, spoke of things that people left to decay. A rusty cross was shaking in the wind, like it had seen too much pain buried within. The wind calls out my name with pride and hate, like a starving lion coming for my fate. All the sins I left on dusty shelves behind, now they all come back, heavier with time. In the rear view mirror something came to life, looked just like my shadow in the dead of night. It came to witness what I had become, a tired man still trying to outrun. Son, every road has eyes that always see, the ones who run from what they used to be. We all carry sins that cut us deep inside, but I got used to pain. Goodbye tonight. The debt of every sin I never paid back yet. I won't shake, I won't run, I know what's waiting there. It's gone forever now. That's the only thing I know tonight. After I repay you, I keep moving on and wash myself clean in the rain of redemption. From the mirror then the shadow disappeared, taking all its words and leaving darkness here. That shadow's called the past, it knows me well, knows every wrong I did, but never tells. All this need to wipe the past away, wake up one day far from this old town, and write a story that could make me proud. The rain came down and split the sky into the ground, turned into mirrors showing what we knew. The road and all its fury seemed to whisper low, broken promises always collect what they are owed. Thunder warned me maybe I should stop, so I pulled into a lonely truck stop. Tonight I'll sleep beside this old machine, tomorrow before 6 I'll leave. Don't know where I'll be. The debt of every sin I never paid back yet. I won't shake, I won't run, I know what's waiting there. It's gone forever now, and that's the only thing I know tonight. After I repay you, I'll keep moving on and wash myself clean in the rain of redemption. It's 5:15 a.m. I wake before the sun. Cold water on my face helps me carry on. Bought a hot black coffee at the station stand. Engine's already running, time to leave again. Hours passed by, then something felt so wrong. Now it's 10 a.m., but daylight still ain't come. That old shadow appeared right by my side and softly said to me, your past's been absolved tonight. Now the sunlight breaks the clouds like flying lead, and the day starts singing where the dark once spread. The shadows that once chased me stayed behind, and the wind that judged me is falling silent now. The debt of every sin I never paid back yet. Now I stand face to face, ready to begin again. Doesn't belong to me. Now I know who I am tonight. After I repay you, I walk without the curse, because I found myself in the rain of redemption. The rain of redemption.